Back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my, Play-Doh slime. And all you need is glue and Play-Doh, and I already made it, and it's kind of sticky because I already made it. And when first you add your Play-Doh, and the next you pour in as much glue as you want, mix it, and take bit by bit. And roll it into a ball so it will be kind of like slime. And after you're finished and it's not sticky, it should look like this. Very stretchy. It's very, very, very stretchy. Very, very stretchy. Yeah. So I'm almost done with this. So yeah. And I just need a little more, and that's it. This is how much I need. And yeah. I'm just gonna do it like this. And yeah. Sorry about that. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. And I finally finished, and it's a success. I made it very stretchy. And besides, look at this. It's very sticky. So I'm going to leave it in here. And tomorrow, when I get back from school, I'm going to show you guys if it's sticky or not sticky tomorrow. So, bye. And hopefully this worked out for you as it worked out for me. So, bye. Peace out.